Hi guys, I'm Maria of Pink Pony Design and look what I got today! It's an Amber Air! It's a serger! Or as I call it, my room, because it's super quick. I tried this one when I was at sewing camp this summer with my mom. I tried hers and I fell in love with this machine. So since I've started sewing some clothing, I thought I had to get one. So this is the new addition to my machine park, which includes another Husqvarna Viking, which is an opal 690 quilt. And I just love this little machine. It's perfect for everything that I can't do with my Juki, since it has all the stitches I need for everything except straight stitching, which I do on my Juki QVP Mini 2200. So now I will also have a serger for my clothes sewing needs. So let's unpack it, guys. I'm so incredibly excited for this. Okay, so we have the instruction book. It's in Swedish because I got this from Borlänge Sycentrum, my parents' shop. So I got the Swedish information, which is really nice for me. Then let's take a peek in this box because it has my new baby in it. Ta-da! Oh, nice. It comes with a cover, a dust cover. That's really clever. And we have, oh, for threads and stuff and the accessories. So this is like a thread catcher, which is really convenient since it will cut my fabric as well when I sew. So catching all that stuff will be really nice. And here we have the accessories. Since I'm going to need 4 threads for the first time in my life. I'm so excited for this. Oh, I managed to drop one. Luckily, this one is air threaded, so I won't have any issues threading it, which I know is a big hassle for a lot of people who get their first serger. And we have the pedal. And now let's take a look at this baby. Are you ready? Whee! There she is. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Oh, when it comes pre-threaded, so you will know. That's really clever. It has like, oh, these color-coded threads. Oh, that's super clever. Someone has been thinking. That's awesome. Okay, guys, I'm gonna need my hubby to help me lift this puppy up. So I'm gonna steal the camera from him and ask him to dig her up out of the box. There we go. There she is. Oh my God, she's so cute. She's so chubby. Oh, I love her. Oh, look at this. And there we go. And that's so neat. Oh my God, you guys. Isn't she so pretty? We can open her up here somehow. Okay, there we go. Oh, and you just pop the threads in here and push the little button and it threads, the bottom threads automatically. I mean, how clever is that? It's really good for me since my head is not screwed on all the time lately. So I'm so excited to get this baby connected and start playing with her. But I just had to share the unboxing of her with you guys. So this is my room. This is my serger. Oh, well, I'm sorry, I have to start playing with this now. I kind of won't have time to film anymore because I kind of have to start playing with it. I'm so incredibly excited. She's so pretty. Thank you so very much, Mom and Dad, for sending this. Oh, and we have we have Oliver here. Are you here working with me, Bubby? Yeah? And the dog as well. My sewing assistants are always in the sewing room. It's very important. Yeah. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. I have to start playing now. Ciao!